morning students, welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Students, today we are going to start our video with question number 3 of exercise 4.3. Question number 3 of exercise 4.3 is solve the following equations. A part is 4 is equal to 5 bracket p minus 2. So let us solve A part of question number 3. Students, let us solve A part of question number 3, and that is 4 is equal to 5 bracket p minus 2 bracket close. Therefore, 4 is equal to, first we have to multiply this 5 by p and then this 5 by minus 2 to open the bracket. So, 5 multiplied by p, that is equal to 5p, and 5 is multiplied by minus 2, that is equal to minus 5 to the 10. Therefore, 4 is equal to 5p minus 10. Now students, we will shift or we will transpose this minus 10 towards the left side, and the sign of this minus will be changed to plus. Therefore, 4 plus 10 is equal to 5p. 4 plus 10, that is equal to 4 plus 10, that is equal to 14 is equal to 5p. Now this 5p means 5 into p. That means multiplication. Now again we will transpose this 5 towards the left side, and this will be converted into division. Therefore 14 upon 5 is equal to p. We can write like this also, p is equal to 14 upon 5. This is one or the same. Now let us solve B part of question number 3, exercise 4.3. That is minus 4 is equal to 5 bracket p minus 2 bracket close. Students, you can write this equation like this also. There is no problem in that. Is equal to minus 4 to make it easy. Now this 5 is multiplied by p, and then it is this 5 is multiplied by minus 2. So 5 into p, that is equal to 5p minus 5 to the 10 is equal to minus 4. Now this minus 10 will be transposed from left to right, and sign of minus will be changed into plus. Therefore 5p is equal to minus 4 plus 10. Therefore, 5p is equal to minus 4 plus 10, that is equal to plus 6. This is 6. Therefore, value of p is equal to 6 upon 5, because this is in multiplication form, and while transposing it will be changed into division form. So, the value of p is equal to 6 upon 5. Students, let us solve C part of question number 3, and that is 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 bracket t plus 2 bracket close. We can shift this right hand side towards the left hand side and this left hand side towards the right hand side. It will make no difference. It will make the equation easy. Therefore, 4 plus 3 t plus 2 is equal to 16. You can write this equation like this also. Therefore, 4 plus, now 3 is multiplied by 3, that is equal to 3t, plus 3 is multiplied by 2, that is equal to 3 to the 6 is equal to 16. Now, therefore, 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10, plus 3t is equal to 16. Now this 10 will be transposed from left to right, and plus will be converted into minus. Therefore, 3t is equal to 16 minus 10. Therefore, 3t is equal to 6. Now the value of t, we have to find out the value of t. The value of t is equal to 6 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Therefore, t is equal to 2. Hence, let us solve D part of question number 3, and that is 4 plus 5 bracket p minus 1 bracket close is equal to 34. To solve this equation, first we have to open this bracket. To open this bracket, we have to multiply this 5 by p and then this 5 by minus 1. Therefore, 4 plus 5 into p, that is equal to 5p minus 5 ones are 5 is equal to 34. Now, therefore, this 4 and minus 5. 4 minus 5 plus 5p is equal to 34. Now, this 4 is subtracted from minus 5. Our answer will be minus 1 plus 5p is equal to 34. Now this minus 1 will be shifted from left side to right side and this minus will be converted into plus. Therefore, 5p is equal to 34 plus 1. Therefore, 5p is equal to 35. Now, this 5p is in the form of multiplication. While transposing, it will be converted into division, as I told you earlier. Therefore, p is equal to 35 upon 5. Now, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Therefore, the value of p is equal to 7. Now, students, we will solve E part of question number 3, and that is 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 bracket m minus 6 bracket close. Students, we can write this equation like this also. Therefore, 16 plus 4 m minus 6 is equal to 0. To make this equation easy for you to solve. So, therefore, first we will open this bracket plus 4 into m, that is equal to 4m minus 6 4s are 24 is equal to 0. Now, this, therefore, 16 minus 24 plus 4m is equal to 0. So, 16 minus 24 is equal to minus 8 plus 4m is equal to 0. Now, this minus 8 will be transposed from left to right and it will become plus. So, 4m is equal to 8. Therefore, the value of m is equal to 8 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Therefore, m is equal to 2. Now, students, let's solve question number 4 of exercise 4.3. A part is construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2. It means you have to construct 3 equations in which you will use x is equal to 2. Now, students, let's solve A part of question number 4, and that is construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Now, multiplying both sides by 10. Therefore, x into 10 is equal to 2 into 10. Therefore, it will become 10x is equal to 20. Now, subtracting both sides by 2. Student, you can use any of the number of your wish. So, here I have used 2, you can use 3, 4, whatever you like you can use. In place of subtraction, you can use addition. In place of multiplication, you can use division. It is all your wish. So, here I have used subtracting both sides by 2. Now, 10x minus 2 is equal to 20 minus 2. 10x, therefore we have to write therefore. So therefore 10x minus 2 is equal to 20 minus 2, that is equal to 18. So this is our first equation. Now students, we will form another equation using x is equal to 2. So adding both sides by 4. Adding both sides by 4. Therefore, x plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 4. Therefore, x plus 4 is equal to 6. Now, dividing both sides by 3. What we will get? Dividing both sides by 3. Therefore, x plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 6 upon 3. Now, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Therefore, x plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2. This is our second equation. Now students, we will form third equation by using x is equal to 2. Now subtracting both sides by 7. Therefore, x minus 7 is equal to 2 minus 7. Therefore, x minus 7 is equal to minus 5. Now, dividing both sides by 5. Therefore, x minus 7 upon 5 is equal to minus 5 upon 5. Now, 5 ones are 5. Therefore, x minus 7 upon 5 is equal to minus 1. This is our third equation. So students, in this way we can form equations when the value of x is given. Now students, B part of question number 4, exercise 4.3 that you have to do yourself as a homework.